Hey traders, it's Friday. You made it. It's March 4th, 2022. We're looking at, yes, another ride on the Short Put Express. However, I think I want to go for an alternative today because unless you're bringing your large account size, you might not want to do today's trade as sent to you from Tasty Trade, because that's what we're doing here in this channel, right? We're taking cherry bombs from Tasty Trade. If you want to sign up, we have a link in the description down below. Not an affiliate link, just a bit.ly link. It'll take you over to Tasty Trade. You can sign up, get emails from them 4 days a week with trade ideas. Subscribe to this channel, and we'll put them on together, and we'll compare notes. Sound good? Cool. Look at this thumbnail here. You can see we're looking at SPY, which is, of course, super liquid, 4 drops liquidity. We're going to be in the monthlies. Thank the Lord, right? Because that's always my preferred place to be. We're looking at an IV rank of 7. Well. So with that said, if this is a trade that's interesting to you, then stay tuned. If not, have a nice weekend. All right, here we go. Hi, everybody. My name is Neil. This is Option Theory. You can see on screen here, we're looking at Thinkorswim simulated trading here. I just pulled up the chart here for SPY. As we see, we've dipped down pretty low. We had a big green candle back here on the 24th, and we've been sort of having a bit of a recovery. A decent-sized red candle yesterday. And yeah, so, you know, some of you tea leaves readers know what this means. Some of you that are, you know, tasty traders like me know that nobody knows anything, right? So with that said, let's take a quick look at what this trade was as it was sent to us from Tasty Trade. I've got that pulled up over here in Tastyworks. Give me a moment here. For whatever reason, it always resets itself, so you don't see everything over here. So here is the trade as sent from Tasty Trade, but put in Tastyworks. We're looking at a 410 short put here, which collects $781 in profit. If you take max profit on this one, it requires $40,200. Let's call it $20 worth of capital to put this trade on. Of course, if you're in a margin account, it won't require that much. I'm in an IRA, so it would require all that much. Probability of making half of this profit in anywhere in the next 41 days that is 83%, and the probability of profit is 74%. And so I wonder, can we build a trade that has similar probabilities and has far less buying power effect? Yes. Yes, we can. And I'm going to do that real fast here inside of Tastyworks, and then we'll bring it over to Thinkorswim. Just for those of you that just don't use Tastyworks, what I'm going to go do is I like that the even numbers here, the 10s and the 5s, they tend to have more open interest. I'm going to go all the way down here, make it a $10 wide. Look at this. This 400 has 36,000 open interest. So I'm going to go over here and click on the ask for the 400. That builds me a vertical here, and we enjoy that here because take a look at that max loss. Went from $40,000 to $820. Yeah, sure, we're not making, or not even having the potential of making $700, right? Not even $200. But our P50 is still 83%. And instead of having a 73%, we have a 68% probability of profit on at expiration on this one. So that's according to Tastyworks. And that's something that I feel that I could live with. And so that, I mean, I wouldn't be thrilled at all to lose $800. I wouldn't be thrilled to lose $1. But if you want to be, you know, take a position and hope for the best, sort of synthetic short put here with lower buying power reduction. Let's go ahead and slap this back over to Thinkorswim and go over here to the Analyze tab where I have this trade pulled up here. 400 short put, the 410 short put, the 400 long put. That's a vertical. Have a credit of $181 here in this one. Let's go to the risk profile and analyze this using Thinkorswim's tools. So we're going to set the date here to the date we see in blue in the bottom left. That's April 15th. That's our expected move in this gray column, if you would here. We're going to set the price slices break even at expiration. There it is. And let's also go the extra step here and set the slices chart. So we can see the line that we're saying here that we don't want the SPY to go across. All right, that's our break-even line. Once we go below that line, if we go below that line, right, and what's our probabilities of this even touching that? That's pretty good because if you look at that, that 410 is a almost a 30 delta. So let's multiply that. So it's a 56% probability that SPY is going to touch this strike somewhere in the next 41 days, right? There it is. Okay, I'm going to right click this trade, choose confirm and send. I'm going to tell you what it says as I show you, because there it is. It's $181 in max profit, $819 of maximum loss. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and throw that in my margin account, hit send. We're going to call that a week's worth of trades, everybody. Thank you so much for joining us. For those of you new subscribers this week, I do appreciate that you joined us, right? Joined the channel. It really is a nice confidence. So, love to hear from you in the comments. How'd you do this week? If not, it's all good. I'll see you next week. All right, everybody. Until then, may the market be with you.